Hey everyone, this is Cubastic and today I have on my table something unusual. This is a unique collectible puzzle. By the way, it's difficult enough, so I think you and I will both like the solution to this puzzle. Now let's take a closer look at it. The puzzle consists of a playing field and some details that need to be placed here. It's called Bird Puzzle 11. 11 birds. So we have here 11 such blue birds. Write in the comments whether it looks like a bird. The author of this puzzle assures they are birds. Maybe he means it's their legs or their wings and it's their beak, then I may agree it's a bird. But tell me, what does this bird do? Maybe it's biting the seat standing on its feet, or it's flying, I don't know, turn on your imagination. But because of these legs, wings or beaks, call them what you want, this puzzle is so complicated. Because we need to put all the birds in the nests. And the nests have a strange and unique shape. Each of these nests have a unique shape. And the shape of each bird is also unique. It would seem there's nothing difficult here. If each bird has a different shape and the nests have a different shape, it should be very easy to find a nest for each bird. Wait a bit, I will soon show you its secret. I will now press the start and try to solve this puzzle as quickly as possible. Write in the comments how much time do you think it will take me to cope with this puzzle. I hit the start button and you hit the like button. 3, 2, start. Here we go. The difficulty of this puzzle, as it turned out, is frankly speaking, I already tried solving it a bit before shooting because I printed this puzzle with my 3D printer. As you can see, birds are placed in different nests, in one, in the other. You can find some other positions in some other nests, and every bird can do so. But we cannot easily find a position for each of them. For example, let's take a look at this bird here. It has the wings and the beak at the same distance from each other. At first glance, it seems that it can only be here, but any other bird can also be located here. For example, this one. So we need to find the unique bird, put it in its unique nest, and then distribute the others. But I don't even know what the sequence of solving this puzzle should be. In the meantime, I will try to guess. I understand that this is not the most effective method, but why not? We can try. Look, this bird doesn't fit in here, literally a few millimeters. This nose is interfering to do so, so let's find a place for it. I want to put it somewhere. No. I really can't find a place for this bird. This was the only thing that was possible. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, and we're gonna put this one somewhere else. The difficulty lies in the fact that each nest doesn't have 3 notches, like each of the birds. There are even 4 and 5, and there are even these unusually shaped notches. So, the beak or wing of this bird can be in the edge position, in the central position, or somewhere else. That is, this option can be suitable for several different birds. Here, this fits here perfectly. By the way, another challenge is that we cannot only turn these birds 360 degrees in the plane, but we can also turn them upside down. Oh, look! Even 2 wings fit into one wide notch. Now I'm trying to put each bird in each of the nests. I think there is no place for this bird here. Oh, there it is. Oh, this one fits quite cool. I thought this one might fit here, but no. Oh, this is a good place for it. Well, will the last 3 fit or not? If they fit, it will be even something ordinary and the puzzle will be solved really quickly. Oh, not bad. 2 birds are left. This one, by the way, has a very complex shape. It has 3 of these legs close to each other. I don't even know. I should look for the nest where there are 3 notches next to, or where I can put 2 in one wide notch and there should be a narrow one next to it. But I can't find it. So guys, here we have our first problem. So, as you can see, birds can be placed in an infinite number of positions, but we need to find one unique bird that fits only one particular nest. To do this, we will use the following method. We will look for the best nest for each bird. Based on common sense, I want to start with this bird here, with the weirdest form. It's only one which has 3 convex parts that are next to each other, so I'll start with it. And I hope it is that unique bird. We will start from the top and move down. It won't fit at all here. By the way, it's also symmetrical on both sides, so it's going to be a little easier with it. It doesn't fit here either. Oh, I think this is the nest for it. There is a little distance between the 2 notches. And this is where we have 2 bumps, and this is where we have 1. So you can say that these are 2 legs and this is the beak of a bird. And it seems to me that this is the only nest that is suitable for this unique bird. Moving on. I don't know about you, but I love puzzles. And if you want to see more puzzles, just follow my channel, because there are thousands of puzzles here. Guys, I have thousands of puzzles in my collection, and I've solved all of them. So watch my other videos with more complex, stunning and cool puzzles. In the meantime, I have found 2 places for this chicken. This one and this one. And since there are 2 possible locations, I think it's better to postpone it until later. If I can find a bird that can only fit in one of these places, then I can use the exclusion method to find a nest for this bird. I also want to look at this bird, because there are also 2 legs together and they will fit in one wide notch. Well, there are 3 of them here with 2 legs next to each other, and they have to be like this. So this one fits here, and let's see where else it can go. It doesn't fit here. Well, interesting. Here I will not even try, and it doesn't fit here. So far it is the only option. There are no wide notches at all here. I'm already starting to see that Jeez, I thought I had already found the only nest for it. Now for this detail we have 2 nests, and there are also 2 nests for this one. Guys, I'm already excited about it. This one gets in here, and it doesn't fit in here, and that's good. And what about this nest? No, so is that all? It doesn't fit anywhere else? Not here either, and the last option, also no. This bird has fit here, which means that this bird is not going to be here, because this is where our first bird will take its place. So this bird should definitely be there. We already have 4 birds in the nest, and these nests are unique, they won't fit anywhere else. Well, not much left, just over half. But I think I can solve this puzzle in less than 20 minutes. Guys, support me with likes, because it helps me to solve puzzles quickly and with pleasure. So this part goes here, and this is where it also fits. Look, it fits into a lot of nests, and I'm not even going to try to insert it now. What else do we have? We have parts that have beaks and wings far apart. There are no parts that are very close to each other, so that they fit into one wide notch. but there are parts where the legs are on the average distance from each other. For example, these two birds. This is the distance between the two legs. We will experiment with them. Check out my friend's channel about customization, it's worth it. This nest is the only one suitable for this bird. You know why? Because it's like this, almost symmetrical, and I can put it on either side. As you remember, the first nest was also taken by the first bird we started with, and it was also symmetrical. I think this is the key to solving the puzzle. Moving on, there is this thing. Look, this bird is unique in its own way. It has this big ass. Thanks God, there's nothing sticking out of it. And that's good. Okay. It might fit here. And by the way, it's also symmetrical. I can flip it, so it can fit here, and I think it fits here. Yes, it does. It fits two nests. So let's put it here for now and remember. Do we have any more symmetrical details? There is one like this and it looks like me. The view from above. These are my ears, this is my nose. Okay, where can I go? It's also symmetrical, it's also interesting, and there should be a place for it. It could be right here, and I think it's right here. It also fits two nests, thanks to white notches in them. Here the nose fits very well, and here the ear. We will work with this one later because it has two positions. Until I find some unique bird in these four nests, I'm not touching these two birds. So we're left with non-symmetrical but very similar birds. Oh no, this one is also symmetrical. For it, you need a nest with notches equivalently oriented in different directions. Totally different. Oh, is this a place for it? No, and it seems that it is. I'm already confused, because I don't think we have room for this bird. Maybe I made a mistake and did something wrong. Come on, is this puzzle so insidious? No, it can't be. Was I sure of the wrong nests? Maybe I had to place it here? What am I supposed to do now? I was wrong. Where am I supposed to put this one now? How mean it is. Okay, I'll put it back. But this symmetrical one can still be placed here, for example. But then you cannot put this one anywhere. Nowhere at all, because it has a unique shape. Okay, let's get it back where it was and looking for more room for it. Here? No. Maybe here? No. A little bit not right. And here? Also not right. So, I feel I have a lot of work to do here. I'm beginning to doubt that I will solve it in 20 minutes. I don't even know what to do in this situation. This one fit here. And where should I put this one? How much do I have to change here? God damn it! I'm already thoughtlessly changing one for another. Is there any room for this one? It doesn't fit here. And what about here? Last chance. Yeah, finally. Whew. Folks, it's really difficult. I need your support. It's been 20 minutes. Okay. This bird here must have some unique place. Oh. Oh, have I already put it here before? I'm confused. Okay, I'll put it just where I want. And I'll put these ones just where they fit. Can I cope with this puzzle today? And what? The last one? Is it so fast? Yes! So, stop! 21 minutes and 30 seconds. The most difficult part in solving this puzzle was not at the end, but at the beginning and in the middle, when I found my mistake. So, in 21 minutes and 30 seconds, each bird has found its nest. Guys, congratulations! We've solved a rather complex collectible 11 birds puzzle. Well, I'm going to give you a little extra challenge. Write down in the comments the name of 11 different birds. Try to do this. It's not that easy to recall 11 species of birds at the same time. I will be interested in reading your comments, and also subscribe to the channel and watch videos about other puzzles on this channel. Please support my channel because I'm trying for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. That was Cubastic. Bye everyone and have a good time.